What's up everybody, my name is Jay and welcome back to my tech vault, and today we've got a really interesting build. We've got a subscribe to PewDiePie build, and obviously as you know T-Series and PewDiePie are going at it, and you know this very small channel isn't going to make much of an effect, but I figured it'd be a good thing just for the memes of saying that I contributed, I did my part, and I helped out. So what we got is a nice red and blue themed PC. So if you're not familiar, PewDiePie's colors and his logo, his whole theme is the magenta red and the like bluish cyan blue, I guess. So I've got a blue and red system picked out. We're going to kind of build this. Another challenge for this as well is that we're going to be using a budget of $100 because obviously we want to get PewDiePie to 100 million. I have a couple other parts I could use, but I think $100 would have been, or is a good budget to set at. Obviously these are parts that I've gotten from past builds, but I'll be putting it all together into one system. This also is not going to be a crappy system either. This has actually got some pretty decent hardware I'm actually kind of excited to get into and start testing with. Yeah, it will be pretty fun and interesting. So without further ado, I'm going to start with a time lapse, and then at the end of this video we'll go through and maybe explain a little bit more of the parts, or why don't we do that now? So right here I've got myself motherboard and CPU, and that's got a long list of things on it, so I may as well take that and put that over here. This is an i5 3750K, might be 40K, and this I've gotten overclocked to 4 gigahertz, sorry, not 5, 4 gigahertz before. I've got 8 gigabytes of DDR3 1600, which I've also gotten working before on this motherboard. I've got 2 SSDs, 128 gigabytes apiece, and I've also got a 1 terabyte hard drive. Over there I'm too lazy to grab it, but the graphics card is an RX 270, 2 gigabyte GDDR5. I've got a Wi-Fi adapter, power supply, 450 watt power supply, and then I think that's a 600 watt modular power supply. I've got a fan controller, and then I've got this nice little case that I got from previous yard sales as well. So that is going to be the parts. Let's get into the time lapse of the build process, and then we'll go from there. So let's get into it.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. 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 You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Harder, harder.
So there you have it, a PewDiePie themed build, red and blue color scheme, and honestly it looks pretty impressive as well. I've got the full or the semi-modular power supply worked really well, got everything working fine, and it actually looks really good too. So I was happy with how things turned out, and it's really nice. Everything's playing a couple games on it. And that'll probably be another video out of that, but that's the whole system there. Pretty impressive for $100. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and maybe tune in or subscribe for the next adventure in this series, which will probably be benchmarking it and testing it. But thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.